The ever-evolving journey of homeowners and business owners alike, navigating the intricate world of roofing challenges. Whether you're embarking on a new roof installation for a fresh build or contemplating the inevitable decision of roof replacement, the path ahead is intertwined with decisions and considerations that can seem overwhelming. What's up, folks? Today we're diving into the heart of roofing dilemmas that many face, the intricacies of new roof installations and the complexities of roof replacements. It's a journey filled with choices, challenges, and the occasional unexpected twist. Picture this. You're at the threshold of a new roof installation, embarking on a project that sets the stage for both elegance and durability. The prospect of choosing from a myriad of roofing materials while ensuring they seamlessly blend with your architectural vision may feel like threading a needle in a haystack. When it comes to new roof installations, it's all about harmonizing aesthetics with functionality. Your roof is not just a shield, it's a statement piece that crowns your dwelling with style and protection. Embrace the journey of selecting materials that resonate with your vision and elevate the charm of your property. Now let's pivot to the crossroads of roof replacement, a decision that often arises from the ticking clock of time and wear. Recognizing the signs that it's time for a new roof sets the stage for a process filled with essential choices, from selecting the ideal material to partnering with the right contractor. Deciding on a roof replacement is akin to turning a new leaf in the story of your home. It's a chance to revitalize and fortify your shelter, ensuring it stands strong against the ravages of time and nature. Embrace this journey as an opportunity to elevate not just your roof, but the very essence of your living space. Amidst the expanse of roofing endeavors, a common obstacle arises: the unanticipated presence of damaged or rotten wood. It's like stumbling upon a hidden riddle in the midst of a grand adventure, urging you to pause, assess, and surmount the challenge to pave the way for a resilient and enduring roof. Discovering compromised wood during a new roof installation or replacement is not merely a hurdle. It's a pivotal moment to reinforce the foundation of your home. Working hand in hand with your roofing professionals to address these challenges ensures a solid groundwork for a roof that not only shelters but endures across the seasons. Rather than viewing it as a setback, it should be seen as an opportunity to strengthen the very core of your home. Addressing these challenges hand in hand with your roofing professionals is crucial in ensuring that the foundation of your roof is fortified. By replacing damaged wood with sturdy, high-quality materials, you are laying the groundwork for a roof that not only provides shelter, but also withstands the test of time and varying weather conditions. Taking proactive steps to reinforce compromised wood not only enhances the structural stability of your home, but also prevents potential issues such as leaks, mold growth, and further damage to your property. By investing in the proper repairs and maintenance during a roof installation or replacement, you are safeguarding your home against future problems and ensuring its longevity. Ultimately, treating the discovery of compromised wood as a pivotal moment to reinforce your shelter will result in a stronger, more resilient roof that provides reliable protection for you and your loved ones throughout the changing seasons. In the tapestry of roofing adventures, embracing the twists and turns, the challenges and triumphs, leads to not just a roof over your head but a sanctuary of resilience and elegance. So, whether it's a new roof installation, a replacement journey, or the unexpected encounter of damaged wood, remember, each step is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your dwelling. Contact us today to learn more about our services and to get started on your roofing project. Get a quality roofing quote from J.K. Johns Roofing. 352-754-8600.